All right, let's talk about. Let's see. Let's do this problem right here. So basically, what it says is Joseph has a 200-foot long fence installed around his yard. The A plus fan company charges a $500 fee plus a set amount per foot of fence. The A plus fence company has given Joseph an estimate of $2,200 to install the fence around his yard. What is the set amount per foot of fence? So, what they will tell us here is, if you heard my boring reading of this thing, is so think about the fence around his house, maybe rectangular. This is 200 foot long, the total circumference here. So if you add this side to this side to this side, this is 200 foot long, 200 feet long. And so, but there's a company that is going to come to fence to put fence around this house. And what the company charges them is $500 plus a certain amount X per each square feet. So it's charging X per each square feet. How many square feet that the company's gonna fence for her? 200 square feet. And then what they tell us in the book is, it says that total is gonna be an estimate of $2,200. So let's see how much Joe has to pay to get this fence around his house. So we know that $2,200. So we're looking for that estimate. Actually, we already know how much he has to pay to put the fence around his house. So we have 200x plus 500 is equal to 2,200. Move the 2,200 to the 500 to the other side. So we have 200x that's equal to 2,200 minus 500. 2,200 minus 500. That's equal to 1,700. 200x is equal to 1,700. That implies x is equal to 1,700 divided by 200, which is equal to, divided by 200, 8.5. So what they really asked us in the problem is 8.5. Is what's that number x when I multiply it by how big the fence needs to be, I'm gonna have $2,200 plus the fee added. So that's really what they asked us for. If you enjoyed this video, share it on your page. You'll help a lot of kids taking the SAT, and any other standardized tests. Thank you. Bye.